Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of mascaras that promise a lot but don't deliver, then you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara in black. And trust me, if you're searching for something that offers curl, lift, and that perfect separation, this could be your new go-to. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara claims to give you an instant curl that holds for up to 12 hours, helping to grab, separate, lift, and curl your lashes. It's also water-resistant and easy to remove, which means it won't flake or smudge, but still comes off without a hassle when it's time to take it off. I'll be breaking down the performance, texture, and whether it's worth the splurge. Let's talk about the formula first. It's designed to be lightweight, so even though it's buildable, it won't feel heavy on your lashes. The key ingredient here is the Instant Curve Setting Formula, which promises to hold that curl in place for up to 12 hours. If you're like me and have stubborn lashes that tend to fall flat, a mascara that provides long-lasting curl is a game changer. As for the brush, it features a unique hook and roll design. This isn't your average wand. The curve of the brush is meant to grab and lift each lash, while the bristles are spaced just far enough apart to separate lashes beautifully without clumping. It's pretty easy to use, and the size of the wand is perfect for getting into those tricky corners, even on the lower lash line. In terms of wear, I tested this mascara through a busy day, running errands, attending a few meetings, and even dealing with a little rain. The curl stayed intact, and there was no smudging or flaking. That's always a win for me, especially with mascaras that claim to be water resistant, but can often leave you with raccoon eyes by the end of the day. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? The formula is lightweight yet buildable, which is perfect for creating both natural and dramatic looks. It definitely lives up to the promise of curl and lift, and you don't need to worry about your lashes sagging by midday. Plus, it's easy to remove with makeup remover or even just a gentle face cleanser, which is something a lot of long-lasting mascaras fail to do. On the flip side, the only downside I encountered is that it might not be ideal for those who want a super voluminous look. While it does lift and separate, if you're looking for that ultra-thick, dramatic lash look, you may need to layer a different mascara over this one. Now, what about value for money? The Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara is on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, but for what it delivers, curl, separation, lift, and lasting power, it's definitely worth considering if you've struggled to find a mascara that actually holds a curl. That being said, there are more affordable options out there that perform similarly, so it might come down to whether you're willing to pay a premium for that 12-hour curl. As far as alternatives go, I've tested some other curl-enhancing mascaras in a similar price range, and while they do provide decent lift, I feel like this one outperforms in terms of separation and staying power. If you're looking for something more affordable, brands like L'Oreal and Maybelline have mascaras that also focus on curling and lifting, but at a lower price point. When it comes to build quality, Benefit always delivers solid packaging, and the Roller Lash is no exception. The tube is sturdy, the wand design is functional, and the mascara itself doesn't dry out too quickly, so you get a good amount of use out of it before it needs replacing. The formula doesn't flake off easily either, which is a bonus for those with sensitive eyes. So, what's the final verdict on the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara? If you're after a lightweight mascara that adds serious curl and separation without clumping or weighing down your lashes, this one checks all the boxes. It's perfect for anyone with naturally straight or limp lashes who needs a little extra lift throughout the day. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss our next beauty breakdown. You can find the link to purchase this mascara in the comments or description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.